We've all seen the movie where the guy walks in the room and seemingly without doing anything at all, girls approach him. But do you actually believe that such a thing is real? Well, I'm here to tell you today that yes, this is possible, and yes, anyone can learn how to do it. By the end of this video, you will understand how to make your attractiveness to women a second nature for you. And at the end of this video, I also have a special announcement, so stay tuned for that. Now, I spent years trying all sorts of things, including pickup lines and buying gifts, and none of it ever worked for me. It wasn't until I changed my mindset and how I thought about attraction and creating attraction with women that I started to see positive results. In fact, for the most part, what I have learned is that until you understand the rules of attraction and dating, you're always going to struggle in the field of creating attraction with women. So the first thing I want to cover is that it is critical to remember that a woman's psychology is different from a man's psychology. Yeah, you think? Okay, just checking. And what I mean by that is she doesn't think the way we as men do, okay? Her psychology is different. The way she solves problems is different. The way she reacts is different. And this is because she basically is hardwired opposite from us. Now, the good news is that by understanding that she's hardwired differently from us, we can better understand how to communicate with her. You need to have confidence in yourself. Now, this is not just limited to your ability to approach her and strike up a good conversation, but the confidence, more specifically, is how do you feel about yourself? Do you let limiting beliefs get in your way? Do you think you'll never make it with a woman because you're not tall enough, you're not rich enough? Do you think any of the self-made, self-imagined, self-limiting things that are preventing you from having success? Having confidence in yourself and your ability to create attraction are key elements in actually creating that attraction. And yes, she can read this just from your physiology. And yes, you can create that attraction without even saying a word to her. Ooh, isn't that cool? Having good technique with a woman is sort of like adding the color to the fireworks. If you know how to use your body language in a way to create attraction by standing confidently, moving at a controlled pace, and using your eyes to indicate attraction and confidence, it can actually make her forget about all the other guys that are in the room at the same time as you. Speaking slowly and confidently and with an even masculine pitch can also really help with this. Also, pay attention to her body language, her voice tone, and the details in what she says. Maybe she's playing with her hair. Maybe her voice is kind of trailing off at times. Maybe you're standing with a few other guys, but she exclusively invites you to come and have a drink with her. These are all signs of her being attracted to you. The important thing to remember about creating attraction with a woman is that it all starts with mindset and understanding her psychology, as well as yours. You need to have the confidence that you're not only desirable, and by the way, you are desirable. There's always women out there looking for your kind of man. But you also need to have the confidence that you can and will create attraction with her. If your technique is on par, again, that's the color to the fireworks, because now you're aware of the verbal and nonverbal cues that you can give and also listen to from her that will take the interaction to the next level. Now, I do go deeper on the topic of psychology, confidence, technique, all of that in my courses, workshops, and one-on-one coaching. And if you're interested in any of that, I have included the links below. Now, as for the special announcement, I am creating a course in which I do a deep dive on the psychology, confidence, and technique of dating and creating attraction. That course will be up and running hopefully very soon. I'm trying to get it out there before Valentine's Day. And when that's up and running and ready to go, I will have the link for that course in the description below. Now, look, the YouTube channel is great, and so is the podcast channel. But if you really want to gain true mastery of how to create attraction with women, then these are the 3 most basic principles that you need to know in order to do that. Now, I understand it's difficult, at the very least, to ask for help when it comes to creating attraction with women. I understand, I came from the same place. But what I can tell you is I'm glad I asked for help, because when I learned how to create attraction with women, it didn't just benefit my dating life. It benefited all aspects of my life. And I want to give you that incredible success as well. So when that's up and running, go ahead and look for the link for that. Also, I want to say that I'm going to add an extra bonus to it. So for anybody that signs up for that course during the month of February, I'm also going to give you a free one-on-one, 1-hour session with me. That's right. That's my gift to you guys. That is my commitment to you. I'm going to make sure that you succeed with this course. I'm going to make sure that you succeed with getting a girlfriend. So keep your eyes peeled for that link. And I'm also going to have that free one-on-one available for you, for anybody that picks it up during February. And that's a tip for this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, share with your friends, leave a comment. Keep your eyes peeled for that link. And as always, get out there and ace it.